What is up, everybody? It's your boy Boss the Breezy back at it again with another dance tutorial. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I make a lot of dance tutorials. So make sure you subscribe. Let's get it.
Time since I've been in a different mind frame. I want you to know that you was my babe.
Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to stand on your toes, how to balance on your toes. So first, we need to make sure we warm up properly to prevent any injuries. Being able to balance on your toes or stand on your toes is all about having the right shoes. Right now I'm wearing the Filas Disruptor 2, and they're very strong and allows me to balance on my toe with ease. And they're very cheap as well. I bought it for 49 pounds. Okay, first, if this is your first time learning how to balance on your toes, just hold on to a wall and just do what I do and try to balance yourself out. It's all about practice, so keep practicing. Alright guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. Make sure you comment down below, like this video, and subscribe for more dance tutorials in the future. See you guys soon. Peace out.
Probably gonna run up a chick, probably gonna cup a tick, probably the reason I'm next, you already know I'm the best, probably gonna run up a chick, probably gonna cup a tick, probably the reason I'm next, you already know I'm the best, yeah, you already know I'm a boss, ayy, never gonna take no loss, ayy, run it up, I got the sauce, ayy, you already got the sauce, ayy.